Well, I noticed when I did break into the house, the TV's missing, everything's thrown up everywhere, and there's a sign that says we'll be back on my wall.
We'll be back!
Oh, never mind. It was Dad. It's okay. He almost got the cops here.